Hello Lumia users all around the world. We've got something new for you again. Games for your chat. To kick things off, we're bringing you Duel, Roulette and Slots. In this tutorial I will explain how the Duel game works. Make sure to check out the other two tutorials for the remaining games, which are linked below in the description. If you have updated to at least version 8.2 of Lumiastream, you will find new chatbot commands in your list. So head to Commands, Chatbot Commands, and click the small pencil icon next to the Duel command. At first glance, nothing extraordinary here. To access the various options for the Duel command, we'll need to switch to Scratch mode. So click on Edit from Scratch. Here in the General tab, you now see many new options. The first button that stands out is the How to use Duel chatbot command button. When you click it, a modal pops up explaining the game rules and how to use the command. Below that, you will find the following options. Minimum bet amount, the minimum amount viewers must wager to play. Maximum bet amount, the maximum amount viewers can bet. And duel duration in seconds, how long the challenge viewer has to respond to the duel. Next, you can customize your messages. You can create a custom winning message, which appears when the challenger wins, as well as the message sent when someone is challenged. Please note that these messages use variables unique to the game commands. Be cautious when making changes here. If in doubt, you can always find the variables in the little variable helper. You can even customize the error message. If a challenger forgets part of the command, this message will appear to remind them how to start a duel properly. Finally, you will find the standard options below, which you will recognize from regular commands. These include the command name, general cooldown, and which user levels can use the command. By the way, you can rename the command however you like. The functionality will remain the same. One important note: under the Chatbot tab, you will find a message that contains only a variable. Make sure to leave this as is, so all messages can be sent correctly. And with that, I would say...
It's time to duel!
So let's assume you have customized your duel to your liking, and now your viewers are ready to battle it out. Head over to your chat and pick an opponent for your duel. Type the command with an exclamation mark, followed by the name of your chosen challenger and the amount you want to wager. For example, we will type !duel, Elvis would use Lumia 500. Lumia will now notify the viewer, letting them know that Sam Wilson TV has challenged them. To accept the duel, Elvis simply needs to respond with duel yes. Of course, they can decline with duel no, but where's the fun in that? A random generator will then decide who wins or loses the duel. Depending on the outcome, either the challenger or the challenged will have the points deducted from their loyalty point balance. If you have got more ideas for chat-based games, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and have a luminous day.